Xtreme Manufacturing predominantly manufactures telehandlers ranging from a 6,000 pound capacity up to 70,000 pound capacity. Because we work with large weldments, it can be difficult to accurately inspect every dimension on the weldment. So sometimes the quality defects aren't detected until they hit the assembly line, which can lead to line stoppages, rework, and scrapping of expensive components. Implementing the 3D scanners into our process has allowed us to detect quality defects before they hit the assembly line, which greatly reduces the downtime that the assembly line sees and the cost of reworking the weldments once they're made.
Using the 3D scanner, we're able to collect every single dimension that's involved in a weldment, and then we're able to repeat that measurement across multiple units so we can get a better picture of what we're working with. Using Creaform's tetrahedral targets makes it much easier to look at every dimension on the weldment when we can add so many little targets and keep track of everything.
It was fairly easy to pick up the Creaform equipment and start using it. Wasn't too hard to learn, pretty straightforward.
The Creaform scanners are great because they're so portable. We can move it to the weldment rather than having to move the weldment to the inspection equipment. Creaform customer support has been able to walk us through any problems we've run into or questions that we've had. Really helped us make the most of using our scanners and implement them into our process. Our goal for telehandler production is to reach 50 units a month, and implementing the Creaform scanners has been integral in helping us achieve that goal in reducing downtime on the assembly lines due to quality defects and rework.